certain building, 80% of the lights are on. However, 40% of the lights that are supposed to be off are actually on, and 10% of the lights that are supposed to be on are actually off. What percent of the lights that are on are supposed to be off? So, first of all, in order to solve this problem, I will use a chart to put all information given. The columns will be for the lights that are on and the lights that are off. The rows will be for the lights that are supposed to be on and the lights that are supposed to be off. Second of all, I will assume that there are a total of 100 lights. So they state that the building has 80% of the lights on. Therefore, there are 80 lights on and the remaining 20 are off. Now, 40% of the lights that are supposed to be off are actually on. Let X be a number of lights that are supposed to be off. They state that 40% of X is on. Therefore, 60% of X is off. 10% of the lights that are supposed to be on are actually off. So, let Y be a number of lights that are supposed to be on. They state that 10% of Y is off. Therefore, 90% of Y is on. As you can see, X plus Y is 100. And 10% of Y plus 60% of X is 20. So, this is 10% of Y plus 60% of X equals 20. I will cancel 1 0, so we get the following here. Y plus 6 times X divided by 10 is 20. Y plus 6 times X is 200. But from the first equation, we know that Y is 100 minus X. So I will replace that here. 5 times X is 100, therefore X is 20. So X is 20, and the question is following. What percent of the lights that are on are supposed to be off? So the lights that are on are these ones. So what percent of 80 are the lights that are supposed to be off? These ones. So we want to know what percent of 80 is 40% of X, but X is 20. So here we can cancel zeros, so we get 8 over 80 times 100. This is 1 over 10, so 10% of the lights that are on are supposed to be off. Choice D is correct.